Welcome to our channel where we explore the best travel tips and advice. In today's video, we'll reveal the top hotel booking sites that will help you find the best accommodation for your next trip. Whether you're planning a relaxing vacation or a productive business trip, these sites have got you covered. So, let's dive in and start exploring the world of hotel booking. HotelLook, a comprehensive platform that searches numerous other booking sites to find you the best deals on hotels, hostels, vacation rentals, and more. With HotelLook, you can easily compare prices, read reviews, and make a well-informed decision. Benefits of HotelLook. What makes HotelLook stand out is its extensive search capabilities, allowing you to compare prices across various booking platforms. This means you can find the best deal without jumping from one site to another. Additionally, the user-friendly interface and detailed search filters ensure a seamless and personalized experience. Just enter your desired destination, travel dates, and the number of guests. HotelLook will then display a wide range of accommodation options for you to choose from. Once you've found the perfect hotel, hostel, or vacation rental, you'll be redirected to the respective booking site to complete the reservation. HotelLook takes the hassle out of finding the best deals and saves you valuable time. Hilton Honors. Our next featured site is Hilton Honors, the official hotel booking platform of the renowned Hilton hotel chain. If you're a frequent Hilton guest or are looking for loyalty benefits, Hilton Honors is the perfect choice for you. Benefits of Hilton Honors. By booking directly through Hilton Honors, you can enjoy exclusive member benefits, such as discounted rates, free Wi-Fi, and access to the best available rooms. Additionally, Hilton Honors members earn points for each stay, which can be redeemed for free nights, upgrades, and other perks. Using Hilton Honors to book your hotel is hassle-free. Simply visit their website or mobile app, enter your desired destination and travel dates, and browse the available hotels. As a member, make sure to log in to access exclusive rates and rewards. Once you've selected your preferred hotel, complete the reservation, and get ready to enjoy a delightful stay with Hilton. SuperTravel Introduction. Let's now explore SuperTravel, a fantastic hotel booking site that specializes in luxury and high-end accommodations. If you're seeking a truly lavish experience for your upcoming trip, SuperTravel is your gateway to a world of luxury hotels and resorts. Benefits of SuperTravel. SuperTravel handpicks the finest hotels and resorts worldwide, ensuring that every property meets their high standards of luxury and elegance. By booking through SuperTravel, you can enjoy exclusive amenities, such as complimentary breakfast, spa treatments, and room upgrades. Visit their website and browse through their curated collection of luxury accommodations. You can refine your search based on destination, travel dates, and specific preferences. Once you've chosen your dream hotel, simply follow the booking instructions on the site to make your reservation. Indulge in a remarkable stay with SuperTravel. Trip.com. Lastly, we have Trip.com, an all-encompassing travel platform that offers much more than just hotel bookings. With Trip.com, you can not only find great hotel deals but also book flights, train tickets, and more, making it a one-stop shop for all your travel needs. Benefits of Trip.com. Trip.com offers a wide selection of hotels at competitive prices. The platform also provides transparent reviews and ratings from fellow travelers, allowing you to make informed decisions. With their easy-to-use interface and comprehensive search filters, you can quickly find the perfect accommodation to suit your preferences and budget. To find the best hotel deals on Trip.com, visit their website or download their user-friendly app. Enter your destination, travel dates, and the number of guests, and let Trip.com work its magic. You can then browse through the available hotels, read reviews, and compare prices. Once you've found your ideal hotel, proceed to book directly through the site or app, and get ready for an exciting trip. And there you have it, the best hotel booking sites to make your next adventure memorable and hassle-free. Whether you choose HotelLook, Hilton Honors, SuperTravel, or Trip.com, these platforms offer incredible options and savings for your accommodation needs. Check out the hotel booking site link in description.